Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a mascara testing review. So I am testing out today the Colourpop Level Up Lengthening Mascara. So I got this over Christmas, but only now I'm getting a chance to test it out. I think this was around about $9, something like that. So a really affordable mascara to try. I don't know anything about this mascara, but I knew I wanted to try it out because I have the Colourpop white mascara. What mascara is that called? The BFF mascara, and I love that one. So I just knew that I was going to enjoy another Colourpop mascara, and because they're so affordable I just wanted to pick it up and give it a try. So yeah, today I'm going to test this out. I have the rest of my full face of makeup on ready, so all I need to do left is my mascara. So I'm going to do a zoom in on my eyelashes now so you can see a before and after to see how it looks. Okay, so these are my eyelashes beforehand. As you can see, I haven't curled them or anything. This is just the way that they naturally look. So I'm hoping that this mascara lengthens. It says it's going to lengthen, so we'll hope it lengthens. And it'd be nice if it curls as well, so we shall see. Okay, so I'm going to curl my lashes using the Tweezerman eyelash curlers. Okay, now to go in with the Level Up Black Mascara. So this is the wand. Okay, so this is how they are looking. I love it so far. Hope you can see. This is how my eyelashes are looking. They are lengthened and they are curled as well. So I am really liking the way it's looking. Sometimes I do a second coat with mascara, but I actually really like the way this looks on its own at the moment. But you could go in with a second coat if you wanted to. Just leave it dry and then go in with a second coat. But I actually really love the way it looks on its own. I really love the wand. The wand was a really nice shape. I made sure that it got every single lash because of its shape, and it did a great job of lengthening and curling my lashes as well, so that's really, really good. So yeah, I'm not going to bother going in with a second coat. I'm just going to leave it as it is because I love the way this looks. This mascara gets a 9 out of 10 for me. It would be 10 out of 10 if it curled it a little bit longer, but it gets a 9 out of 10, which is near enough perfect. So for $9, if you haven't tried this out, I would recommend giving it a try out. It is amazing. I love it. And I am super fussy with mascaras. So if I love it, I'm sure you are going to love it as well. So yeah, it just gets a massive thumbs up from me. So I'm really excited that I've found another mascara that I love. And it's by Colourpop as well, which is cruelty free. And it's a really affordable brand as well. So another positive there. I just end up loving everything from Colourpop. I don't think I've had anything ever from Colourpop that I don't like, so it's just my favorite brand. I love it so much. So yeah, that completes this review of my Colourpop Level Up Mascara. I hope you liked this video and I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!